the bar.
Honestly.
The epithelium oxypetalum only blossoms at night.
That's an interesting pickup line.
Sorry. Thought you were someone else.
Hey, how can you be so sure I'm not the one you want, yeah? We only just met.
What the hell do you think you're doing?
Leaving. Excuse me.
Oi! I'm not finished with you!
Leave it, Gav! Leave it! Come on, let's buy me a drink.
Charming.
Gavin, don't. There's no one. Hey! Which way you going?
The epithelium oxypetalum only blossoms at night.
And only for a single night.
What have you got for me?
There's a package for you in the gents. Watch it in private. X marks the spot.
Right.
Watch it.
You get this girl whatever she likes. There are 9 breeds.
Alas,
What's your poison then?
I prefer smoky mezcal cocktails, but they're not on the card here.
You're not going up without that stamp, mate.
Yeah, right.
Not a bad idea.
And a smoked old-fashioned for the lady. Call me right up.
I beg your pardon.
Can you point me to the gents, please?
Over there by the entrance.
Hey, what are you doing? Good night.
Not bad.
You alright?
Pretty good.
Oh,
Not yet. You?
Yeah, got salt in the upstairs bar. She got a mate.
excuse me. Could I ask?
Good, I'll
She's in the downstairs bar.
You said upstairs.
Yeah? Maybe she is. Blonde salt. I reckon she's up for it. Might have a mate.
Found you.
MI6 has identified a leak from the Trade Ministry. We've narrowed our suspects to 3 secretaries, Rick Bolthorpe, Alice Weatherall, and Joshua Pike, all at the club this very evening. Your job is to identify the culprit. Bond, you'll be teaming up with Nash and Singh to focus on Pike. Keep this device on you and get up close. It will enable Singh to access Pike's phone. Best of luck, Bond.
Sing. Nash. We're on Pike.
Already looking for him.
Let's do this.
Told ya, I wasn't finished with you. Everyone else, out.
Really? Hey! Sure you wouldn't rather go hang in the bar? Have to warn you, I'm pretty good.
No one chats up my girlfriend.
The man of principles.
What the hell, Bond? Fighting?
Yeah, sorry.
Hey! Be quick.
Don't forget the flush. Nash.
Oh, you're all done.
Yeah. Thanks anyway.
What? No, I just came to watch.
Listen, guys. Pike's upstairs, but it's guest list only. But I got the club blueprints, and there are some backstairs behind the bar.
How about the dance floor balcony? That's an access point.
balconies, Nash.
Aye. Overlooking the dance floor.
And how do you suggest I get up there?
I don't know. Just telling you, it's an access point.
See? Backstairs is staff only, I presume.
Right. They're in a storage area, so don't get in trouble. Get upstairs, Bond. And Nash, you find a good vantage point for observations.
After you, Bond.
Really? Are you sure?
I am. Your hair was different. More. I don't know.
That's enough. Where's your mark?
Monroe's on her. Yours?
Pike's upstairs. There's a guest list.
You better get on that list then. Or get up some other way. Ooh. I need to focus here. Good luck.
Out of the way. Sorry.
Sorry, what did you say?
But he just slinked into the crowd and disappeared. You know the type.
So, please make yourself at home, sir.
Didn't mean to intrude.
I did. But he just slinked into the crowd and disappeared. You know the type. Slippery with sixth sense. Did you hear about the guy last week buying the light rig backstage to get to the free bar in the upstairs lounge?
No shit.
I
Well, there's
did.
an idea.
But he just slinked into the crowd and disappeared. You know the type. Slippery with sixth sense.
Oh, empty eyes. But
Sorry, sir.
I had one fucking box of bars on the when I realised.
Watch yourself. Just passing through.
Mate, what are you doing?
Flexbox lighting tech. Need to fix the issue with the Starlight F4000. Someone must have messed with the cabling. You didn't touch anything, did you?
Me? Why the hell would I do that?
Good look, the type. Excuse me. Nash, on the light rig. Balcony coming up.
Good. A little skip, and you're golden.
Skip. Right.
What the?
Ladies. In the lounge now, looking for Pike.
Find him and get up close.
I'm heading back in. Coming. In a moment.
Definitely not what was supposed to happen.
Bond, use your Q lens to locate Pike's phone.
Don't be so sure about that. There's so much
I see him.
Far from it, I heard.
Later, ladies.
Let's just say
Now
it's
we're
not
getting
one to
somewhere.
turn
Stay up close for data extraction.
Going in.
Yeah?
I'll just fetch the others.
Data still coming in. But I believe we've identified our trade ministry leak. I'm getting photos of classified documents from Pike's phone. Bond, stay up close.
Let's finish this.
We're heading back to the booth. I'm getting drinks. You want anything?
We're good. Be there.
So, my boyfriend's not looking too hard. He won't say what's happened, but I have a feeling you happened.
Get rid of her, Bond.
I don't know if I should be angry or flattered.
Probably a bit of both.
Yeah. Also, a little impressed. What do you say? You want to get out of here?
Meet me outside in half an hour. Bad news. Pike just entered the exclusive booth.
Let us find a way in there, then.
Gotta find a way to fool this lad.
Look, no entry, all right?
Relax. Leave it.
Always away, James.
Practically invisible.
Dusty crowd.
3 drinks does that.
Great, our drinks. Hang on, is that a martini? I didn't order that. No one in their right mind would. And that one, pineapple. Only acceptable pineapple ever is on my pizza. Now why don't you go back to your little bar and get us what we ordered?
Don't be an arse, Crispin. Besides, where's your sense of adventure?
Yes, why don't you live a little, Crispin? If you'd excuse me.
Yes, but I deserve that you put in a bit of an effort.
Ladies and gentlemen, data extraction complete.
Good job. Now let's celebrate. Where are you guys?
I'm up here on the balcony.
On my way.
He is interested.
Watch yourself. What a night. I think we...
Listen, I just found something. Pike's meeting his contact tonight at the club.
And?
We need to act. We can unravel the whole network.
And how exactly would that play out?
Have they met before? No, first time.
Perfect. Monroe, how about you intercept the meeting? Pretend to be Pike. Bond, you make sure Pike doesn't show.
Any ideas?
Our best bet would be to stow him away somewhere. Lock him in. That ought to be possible up here.
I'll figure something out.
I'll be by the stairs to make sure Pike doesn't slip down.
Sorry, I seem to be in your way. Careful.
The girlfriend doesn't agree with my priorities.
You can ask for a raise.
Oh, well, I remember the storage room though is acting up again. Got stuck last night. Sam spent nearly 3 hours in there before we even noticed she was missing.
So there's a storage
shit.
room.
I bet she wasn't happy about that.
Nah, she was...
This'll do nicely. Excuse me?
Sorry.
Joshua Pike. Change of plans. Come with me.
Who the hell are you?
Your contact had to abort last second. I'm his replacement. You want this deal to happen, then start walking.
Okay, I'll walk.
Just through here. In here. After you.
Hey! What the hell?
shuttle service.
What?
Alright guys, that's Pike taken care of. Locked him in.
Tell me you got his phone first.
Shit.
I've got you covered. Fried his sim.
Time for phase 2. Bond, meet me by the stairs. Let's regroup.
Hey!
Well done, Bond. Now we just need Monroe to scare the socks off her so she calls her boss.
Change of plans? I just found a message. She's expecting someone tall, dark, and handsome.
The 2 out of 3 won't do.
It'll have to be Bond then. Where is she?
I've got eyes on our girl.
Will we have
Pretty
it?
black dress.
I don't like anything.
She's behind the cloakroom.
No rest for the wicked. All up to you now, Bond.
No pressure.
Careful.
Sorry. What do you think?
Slow down.
I found her. Oh, good. You showed.
And I was just about to leave. You're late.
Give her hell, okay? We need her to call her handler.
Oh, trust me, you don't want to leave. I've got something extra for you.
Not interested.
Well, you should be. Your boss will throw diamonds at you if you bring him this.
I don't do negotiations. Not my job.
But if you want this, you need to call someone who does.
Who's this?
Oh, Christ. Could we not do this?
You prefer her?